Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to give access to Instagram business account. So let's get started. So if you want to give access to your Instagram business account, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your Facebook application. So in order to open up your Facebook application, you can just install it in your device through Microsoft Store, or you can simply access it through your Chrome browser. So what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you have to search for facebook.com. After searching for facebook.com, now you just have to log in into your account, and after logging into your account, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the profile icon, now what you have to do is just simply select your Facebook page. After selecting your Facebook page, now what you can do is just simply in the left side of your screen you will find Meetup Business Suite. So you just have to tap on it, and after tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is Connect Instagram. After tapping on Connect Instagram, now you can just simply tap on Connect and then tap on Continue. After tapping on Continue, now what you can do is just simply enter your email address and password. So over here, you just have to enter your phone number, username, or email address, and then enter the password and then log into that account. So after doing that, your accounts will be connected, and from here you can easily give access to your business account to anyone that you want. So that's it guys, this is how to give access to Instagram business account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.